Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. And I'm sorry, I know I've been absent for a while. Mom had a fall and she ended up breaking her kneecap. And she actually spent 4 nights, 5 days in the hospital. And she's much better now. When we got her home, she ended up getting a horrible infection. And thank goodness for my sister-in-law, Denise. Hi, Denise. She came to help me from California, and the two of us were able to take care of Mom because she was non-ambulatory, non-weight-bearing. We had to actually lift her in bed, out of bed, to her wheelchair, and so needless to say, it was a rough couple of weeks, and I am dead tired. Even now, I'm still tired. But things are getting back to normal, and Mom is getting well. She's pretty much back to normal now. She still has some aches and pains, but she's healing up pretty well. So anyways, I wanted to come to you and say that I'm participating, and I'm going to read this off. I don't want to mess up their names. And it's a coastal beach tablescape or tabletop decor collaboration, and it's hosted by Susan of the Graceful Lily Market and co-hosted by Antonette of Decorating Aunt's Place. And I've done collabs with Antonette before. So anyways, I was kind of excited because it's coastal, but I have nothing coastal in my house. As you can see, my walls are red and gold. I don't have anything blue at all. So I kind of ran around the house to see what I could find, which was not much. But I came up with, this is it's kind of like a sea foam green, and it's a curtain panel. So I was able to use that. It's a pretty color. And then I actually found this grass reed at the Goodwill. I got 2 of them, and they were $4 each. And I really like them because after the collaboration, I have a place I'm going to put these. So also, I had some plain silver chargers that I thought I would decorate a little bit. And we have these, they're those flat marbles. These are actually from the Dollar Tree. And so I thought I would decorate them up a little bit with that pretty blue seafoam green color. Now you can see me dark. So I did that. And then I thought napkin rings. And so I made some napkin rings. This is just a little cardboard tube that I had this silver ribbon that I wrapped around it a couple of times and went ahead and glued the marbles on that. So anyways, that's what I based my entire tabletop design out of. Well, so we're going to see. I did it. I really like how it came out. And I want to say, stop by these 2 women's channels, Susan at Graceful Lily Market and Antonette at Decorating Aunt's Place. They have a lot of neat ideas to share, and I'm really excited to be in this collaboration with them. So anyways, stay tuned because I'm going to take you outside. I thought I would go ahead and do my tablescape out by my pool. So stay tuned. We're going to go peek right now. And I missed you guys, and thank you all for sticking with me. And I will see you back soon. Okay, bye for now. Stay tuned.